Shortcut keys Ctrl+A, select all. Ctrl+B, bold. Ctrl+C, copy. Ctrl+D, font style. Ctrl+E, align text center. Ctrl+F, find the text. Ctrl+G, go to. Ctrl+H, replace text. Ctrl+I, italic text. Ctrl+J, justify text. Ctrl+K, insert hyperlink. Ctrl+L, left align text. Ctrl+M, paragraph indent. Ctrl+N, open new page. Ctrl+O, open file. Ctrl+P, print. Ctrl+Q, remove indent paragraph. Ctrl+R, right align text. Ctrl+S, save. Ctrl+T, hanging indent. Ctrl+U, underline. Ctrl+V, paste. Ctrl+W, close documents. Ctrl+X, cut. Ctrl+Y, redo any undo action. Ctrl+Z, undo any action. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.